Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Update error 0x8000ffff. This is a very common error in Windows updates and in Windows 10 of course. And in this video I'm going to try to help you fix this problem. But first of all, before trying to fix the problem, we need to know the causes of that error. So some causes of that error could be old drivers, malware, wrong date and time, corrupted Windows Store cache, and a few other things that could be wrong in your Windows 10 operating system. If you don't know any of these and if you don't know anything that could be wrong in your Windows 10 operating system, follow this video, because in this video I'm going to show you a few steps that should help you fix this error. First of all, I'm going to advise you to run an antivirus scan to make sure that we don't have any malware, viruses or something like that on our Windows operating system. You can scan your Windows operating system with whatever antivirus program you use, but if you don't have any antivirus program, you can use Windows Defender without any issues. Just go into Windows settings by entering the start menu and then the settings icon, and then from here go down a bit to where it says update and security, and then go to Windows security, and after that click on virus and threat protection, and then go to manage settings and make sure that real-time protection and cloud deliver protection is on. And of course after that you can go and click on quick scan, and Windows Defender will run a quick scan on your Windows operating system, and you'll be able to see if you have any problems with malware or viruses and stuff like that. So if you don't have any problems, you're good to go. Follow these steps. Just go and type in the search box power, and we're going to open up PowerShell. PowerShell is here. Right click on it and run as administrator, and then click on yes. In PowerShell you're going to have to type in two commands. First command is sfc/scannow. This is a then press enter. This is a very good command that will help you verify the important system files and see if there are any corrupted files, any files that are any important Windows files that are damaged and stuff like that, and we'll try to fix them in order to make Windows 10 perfectly functionable, and of course should help you get rid of the Windows Update error. Don't forget that all the commands that I show you in this video will be in the description down below, so you can get them from there. And now after that process is finished, the first command process, you can go and copy and paste the second command from the description, which is this one, Repair-WindowsImage online RestoreHealth, and then press enter, and this will try to repair the Windows image and of course will most likely fix your issue. After you ran all these commands, just go and make sure you restart your computer, and after the restart try again to do the update or run Windows updates and see if the error occurs. So these methods that I've showed you in this video should help you fix the problem, and I'm hoping that this video was useful, and after watching this video you managed to get rid of that error. So if the video was useful and it helped you, don't forget to leave a like to this video, and also subscribe to the channel with the notification bell activated so you won't miss any future uploads like this. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.